Yes, guys, the fish them I'm gonna deal it.
Yeah.
Five of them. One, two, three, 4, 5. So I'm gonna scale them and deal with them proper. I'm come back and season them up and make it safe. So guys, stay tuned. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna deal with the fish them now. Okay. So I'm gonna throw some jerk cheese upon them. And it's a Jamaican jerk. Yeah, man. We throw some in the belly. Throw some in the belly and the head. Rub him up. Some in the head. Throw a little upon him. Throw a little upon him. So them yeah. So stay tuned guys. I'll cut up them seasoning there and then I'll come back to the pot. So in there you see me see the pot on fire. Yes guys, so some cold stove. You know some fire up and running. Yes guys. So you know say food I go cook now. Yes guys, so welcome back. I'm gonna throw in the fish something now. Remember guys, you have to throw it in a little water and do like this, kind of make it dissolve out like. Then I throw it in the pot. Just throw it in. In the. Yes guys, throw it in the pot. Big up to all of my YouTube subscribers. Them love, you know. Love, you know. Respect guys. So let's look now guys. So guys, we put some water in there. And depends on how much fish you use, they use much water. Sorry about the shake. You throw some oil guys. Oil guys. So this is the gravy. Yeah, man. So take a look good look guys. I put in the butter now. Where butter then Nico? I put in the butter now guys and make this one cook down. You know, so when this is cook down, I put on my fish them on this. Oh, you know, say a real smell good, you know guys, smell it. You should have a nose through your say, eh? Yes man guys. So put some butter in it now. There is some butter here. Take a good look and see how I do it, because if you don't do it like me, you know, get the taste like me guys. Yes guys, so make that one cook down guys. And do up. And let them come put in the fish them show now guys. Yes guys, so stay tuned. River Stream TV guys. Like, share and subscribe. Respect guys. Yes guys, are the fish taste. Do it in the camera. Yeah, I'm not put on the fish yet for the gravy this guy. So it look yeah, right, man. The rice is fun. Yes, guys, see it there? So I'm going to chew it out. Yes, I'm going to chew it out, the gravy and this. And then we just put in the fish them. So look for our going, guys. And you'll go back, too fast. Easy quick, man. Because you just take away your mind, take away your brains, and take away your money. And look on him house. Look on the man house. Look on the man house. Yes, guys, so what this tonight? So, you know, I'm sitting on my that. I'm just putting the fish them one. Two, three. You just add look like this on it. Hold it quick, that's it. Add look like that on it. You can't sit to it if you don't listen to it. Because it's listen to the people that might listen to him while they talk, you know. True. Because them can't be an infection, we can't be an influence. True, the whole right on it now, guys. Watch him upon, you know, because him work hard feet. A year money, I could have some other dealings from the corner. I bet you any money to them I can find out something about him outside of the church. This is how to cook steamed fish. This is how to steam down now. Right now it takes a long guys. So done so you can get a fish. So stay tuned guys. Stay tuned guys. Soon come back. Yes guys, so see it now. Not done yet still now guys, I'll show you. Look. River stream style, Yardman style, Jamaican style fish. Steam fish. You must steam properly guys. So me ice up the fire for the mesh. So the fire that get too high guys. But they must steam proper, you know. And the gravy I make. Right here. See guys, delicious you know guys. Delicious man. See, take a good look you too. When you see this back you know say done. So like, share and subscribe guys. River Stream TV. Yes guys, so this is how it look, it's done now. I'm going to share how it look with one fish with my grandmother. And this. So, this is in there everything. Where the box full? This is in there ready. I'm going to put a fish on it here. Because she can't wait for the rice, so I'm going to cook rice. She don't eat rice. So, yeah, one of the fish, guys. Yeah. Come roll out the plate, Nicole, and put some of them upon it. That's why I have the phone. Hold it right near the front. Yes, guys, so that's my grandmother on go get it, man.
Yeah, man. Big up River Stream TV. Well, he has cooked this, you know, so I'm going to enjoy it now.
Yeah.
Yes, make her
So
taste, please.
taste it and
Make her taste it.
tell
I
what
love
it is.
fish, you know. Oh, man. Nice, man. Nice. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
nice, man.
So
Nice, my grandson. Nice.
yeah, so I go enjoy that now.
I enjoy this now.
Yeah,
Right?
man.
Big
So,
up.
Big up. Yes, guys, the rice is just done. Yes, done now. Yes, I share my food. Look out for this. Look out for the dish, guys. River Stream style. Yes, while. Yeah, man, so stay tuned for this dish, guys. Yes, guys, this is how it look. You know, so I'm gonna eat my food, you know, guys. Nice, tasty, guys. So I'm gonna be with my other one. Yes, guys. I'm gonna eat the food, you know. Mm-hmm. Nice, man. Sweet guy. Taste everything, man. Yes, guys, I hope that if it's to the end of the video, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. This is how to cook steamed fish. Alright.